It's been a minute since I upload a real video on YouTube. A lot has changed. Yo, it's Putnwork Steve here, and look, I'm back on YouTube. And this time I'm bringing back fashion, grooming, barber content, and also, last but not least, what it's like to be a barber, real lifestyle. So I'm gonna give everything behind this camera. It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me. Whatever y'all see that's filming, it's all me. It's all my life. So I'm back on YouTube. You gonna have to put in work, put in work. You gonna have to put in work. You gonna have to put in work. If it's ever gonna work, gotta work. If it's ever gonna work, if it's ever. Look, I wanna be honest. I had a fire and I lost a lot. Lost my laptop, lost a lot of things, and I had to start all the way from the bottom. And it kind of threw my YouTube flow off, and it was hard for me to upload like long-term videos. I was still able to upload like short-term videos, and that's shorts and stuff, you know, with the whole TikTok thing and Instagram, and you know, for those that are, you know, on YouTube and y'all see it, y'all see my work, that's the only content I was able to upload because I love YouTube, but it just knocked me off, and like I wanted to get back, but it was so hard. But now I kind of figure out a strategy to get back on here and start uploading, so that way you guys can get to know me more, and also you guys can see more videos from me. So like I said, a lot has changed. I'm in the suite now. I had to rebuild. I had to start from the ground up, and I want to show y'all real fast what my suite look like. So come with me, let's go. We're now in my suite, so look, I'm gonna show y'all what the suite is looking like. It's like, I feel like it's MTV Cribs. Welcome to my crib, come on. Whoa, wait, let me go back. If y'all been, you know, been around like me, you know, I'm 36 now, look, y'all know what MTV Cribs is, but come on, let's go. Just starting off, I got me a rack right here for like my capes, my apron, bags. If clients got like hoodies and stuff, instead of them, you know, just having stuff lying around, I got the rack right there. I got my TV right here where, you know, for entertainment purposes. So if anybody wants to watch TV, we listen. A lot of different YouTube videos we watch on here. Also, I got some things out. It's only me right now because I just got in cutting hair. I got my hot towels. We're almost, you know, trying to fill up everything, but I started already. I got some hot towels right here. Got my cabinet. Okay, I got my brooms, my mop. You got to make sure your floors is clean at all time. All right, make sure you have a sink. This is the window right here, you know. I got a little view, so I get a little bit of sunlight. When I first moved in here, when I first started off, I was just like, man, I needed some inspiration because of the fire, and I ended up getting this picture right here from Burlington Coat Factory, and I also got this picture right here from Burlington Coat Factory. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all this. These two right here, Jordan and LeBron are like the main two people everybody wanna argue about who is better, Jordan or LeBron. So that's why I got these two up here. Everybody always asks that. But then also, if you read it, it says the GOAT. Yes, I believe that Michael Jordan is the GOAT, okay? But then also, I believe LeBron is the GOAT. And it says, don't be afraid of failure. This is the way to succeed, LeBron James, all right? So don't be afraid to fail and pick yourself back up. And something like that, when I seen that right there, it told me like, look, even though you're going through a hard time, Steve, you can pick yourself back up. This is my chair right here. See if we can get it clear. Hopefully we can get it clear. This is my chair right here. All right. My apron looks a little crazy right now, but this is my chair. All right. Got it off of Amazon. It was almost close to 1,000. And like I said, I started from nothing. I'm supposed to be upgrading my suite soon, but these chairs were donated to me. There was a old sweet neighbor that was moving out, and this was given to me. So I have these. Always keep a candle. I need to get a new candle.
We have a great first half of the first quarter. That game will once again, active hand takes the wallet, gets out, they get out and run. 3-on-1 shake, beneficiary of a steal.
As y'all can see, I ain't even got my waves no more. Nope, not no more. I grew my hair out. I decided to change it up. Like I said, a lot has changed, as you can see. I'm on a different season. Check it out. I'm like, what? Boy got waves. Nah, no more waves. Braids. Now, like I said, this channel is still about barbering first. Alright, always remember that. But I'm doing more than just barbering. I'm doing vlogs now. You know, certain videos that you already seen, like going to expos. You know, I'm going right ahead and doing tutorials. I'm talking about fashion. I'm going out to the community now, so I want to be able to take y'all with me. I want to be able to reach out to the community, give back to the children, to the youth. I want to give back to the poor, people that are really in need of haircuts. You know, that's what I want to do. I want to talk about grooming. I still want to do reviews. You know, I want to open up different type of tools and try them out on clients, try it on myself. So these are the things that I'm looking for. But like I said, first things first is this is a barber channel, but there's more to it. And like I said, there's new and better things that I'm looking forward to bringing to you guys, so that way y'all can get to know me better. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Yeah, it's really.
I mean,
It's a lot easier.
I ain't mean it. Ooh, the sun is still out here. I am a barber in Arizona. Now, like I told y'all, the barbering game, I started from the bottom, but I built myself up. I need to get me a selfie stick. But let's talk about the health of being a barber. Now, if y'all look at me, I did gain some weight. Your boy is not skinny. Your boy is not small. I gained some weight, a lot of weight, because my eating habits was bad, man. And throughout my life, I always had problems with my weight, up and down. But I want to be able to bring to you guys more than just like cutting hair and everything what I just said. I want to show y'all what it's like to just be healthy. That's the main thing. One thing I want to tell y'all is y'all need to make sure that y'all go ahead and start working out, because when you cutting hair, yes, you gotta have great eating habits. You gotta, you know, be able to have the perfect shoes to wear. That's why I would say fashion is, you know, the #1 thing that I feel like every single barber needs to, you know, focus on. Have comfortable shoes, standing all day, you know. So make sure your legs are strong, make sure your chest is strong, make sure your arms are strong, make sure everything is great for yourself, because if you don't have that right for yourself, you're gonna probably have an issue. So that's why it's always best bet to go right ahead and make sure your health is 100% better for you, for those that are looking at you. And I want to make sure my health is better for you guys, because I'm talking to y'all, and how can I say, oh, you know, you guys need to go ahead and be healthy, and I'm not being healthy? I'm a hypocrite. Come on now. So I want to be able to take y'all on that journey and take y'all along with me to show y'all my health journey and being more healthy, not just, you know, being in a barbershop and just cutting, because yes, it can get tiring. Yes, you need to go ahead and focus on what type of vitamins you need to be taking. Yes, you need to focus on what type of food you need to be taking. Yes, you need to focus on what type of shoes to wear. Make sure that your feet and everything is great and your body is right. So that's something that I want to get into, and I want y'all to follow that journey. So it's more than just cutting hair. More than just cutting hair. Like I said, a lot of new changes. All right, so back to our video. We was outside and on my eyes is like this. But yeah, like I said, I got future goals, and I want to be able to show y'all and accomplish those goals by me having children soon. You know, me giving out the cuts that is needed to the community, reach out more to the community. I want to show y'all my fashion. I am from the East Coast. I mean, some of y'all probably know me from, you know, the New Jersey slang. I am from Jersey. I mean, I'm out here in Arizona, and I feel like when you're in barbering, you got to be able to show your craft. You got to show your art, and a lot of people look up to you. So fashion is #1. Grooming, make sure you take care of yourself, you know, with the beard, with your hair. Like I said, I grew my hair out now. I got braids now, man. Like, I got braids. You know, these are the things that I want to do. I got things that I want to accomplish, goals that I want to accomplish, and you know, I need you guys to support me. And I'm not saying, you know, I really need like support, because I have all the support, you know, I got out here, but it will be much appreciative if you guys can support me and subscribe and like. You know, that would be great, because I'm telling y'all, there's a big journey, and I'm back. I really am back. I just want to make videos that's like make people feel good, you know, and make them like feel confident in themselves, especially the men out there. Like, I want you to, you know, feel good, look good, and, you know, go out there and play good, you know, go out to the world and do what's best. But with that being said, we're back, and I'm putting work 2.0 Steve. Man, maybe that should be a hashtag. What y'all think? We back 2.0 Steve. Put in work Steve. That is. Now, you know what? Hold on. Wait, we're going to fix that. We back, put in work 2.0 Steve. Hashtag that. Alright? If you hashtag that and comment that, you're a real one. But that's what the channel all about. Barbering, lifestyle, grooming, and real life. What goes behind the chair, man. But if you rock with this journey, subscribe. Because we definitely going to put in the work. Peace out. Stay tuned to the next video.